Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the art of combining small living rooms and dining rooms into stylish and functional spaces. Whether you're working with a compact apartment or a cozy home, these ideas will help you make the most of every square foot. One of the most popular approaches for small living and dining room combos is the open concept layout. This design eliminates unnecessary walls, creating a seamless flow between spaces. By using consistent flooring and color schemes, you can visually enlarge the area and create a cohesive look. Consider using area rugs to define each zone while maintaining an open and airy feel. In small spaces, every piece of furniture needs to work hard. Look for multifunctional pieces like a dining table that can double as a workspace, or a sofa with hidden storage. Folding or extendable dining tables are great options that provide flexibility without taking up too much space. Ottoman coffee tables can serve as additional seating or storage, adding both style and functionality. A smart layout is key to making a small living dining combo work. Arrange furniture to create distinct zones while maintaining an open feel. Place the dining table near the kitchen for easy access, and position the sofa to create a cozy living area. Use furniture as dividers. For example, a bookshelf can separate the living room from the dining area while providing storage and display space. In small spaces, don't forget to use your vertical space. Wall-mounted shelves, cabinets, and even fold-out tables can free up valuable floor space. Consider a wall-mounted TV to keep the floor clear and make the room feel more spacious. Hanging plants or artwork can draw the eye upwards, adding a sense of height to the room. Maximizing natural light and using mirrors can significantly enhance the sense of space in your combo room. Keep window treatments light and airy, and strategically place mirrors to reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Mirrored furniture or decor can also add a touch of glamour while expanding the room visually. The right color palette can make a small space feel larger and more inviting. Light, neutral colors create an open and airy atmosphere, while pops of color can add personality without overwhelming the space. Use decor items like throw pillows, rugs, and artwork to inject color and texture. Keep clutter to a minimum and choose decor that serves both a functional and aesthetic purpose. Finally, don't forget to add your personal touches. Incorporate items that reflect your style and personality, whether it's a piece of art, a family heirloom, or travel souvenirs. These elements make your space feel uniquely yours and add character to the combined living and dining area. And there you have it, our top stylish layout ideas for small living room and dining room combos. With these tips, you can create a space that's both functional and beautiful, no matter how small. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.